Welcome to my new video. Our today's question is water bottle 2. So this question is marked as medium, but the question is not actually medium. Question is very simple. This is the exact same question as water bottle 1. So only difference is after you exchange empty bottles with one filled water, then you have to increase numbers of exchange value by 1. Okay, let me explain you. Initially we have like this is numbers of bottles, this is filled water bottles and exchange value. So let me explain you what is this, what this. Okay, initially you have 13 bottles, you can drink it. After you drink, the water bottles become empty. Okay, and like 13 bottles are empty, so you can exchange empty bottles with one drinkable water, and the value is 6. So you can give 6 empty bottle and you get one filled water. Okay, so this is they are saying. And after you exchange, let's see in this example, like you exchange 6 bottles. Okay, 6 empty bottles, and empty bottles become 7. Okay, like you exchange 6 bottles and empty bottles become 7. After that you have to increase your numbers of exchange value by 1. Okay, let me explain you the question. Okay, before that, if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so this is the second example. Okay, this is, I think, actually, yeah, this is second example. I am going to dry run on this example, and let's start the solution. Initially you have 10 bottles, this is filled with the water and exchange value is 3. Okay, this is exchange value and this is full bottles. Okay, so you have to calculate how many bottles we drink. Okay, so we can take one variable, bottle drunk. Okay, so initially you can drink all the bottles, so all the bottles are 10. Okay, after you drink it, okay, drink it, so now empty bottles. Okay, we have to calculate empty bottles, because if you drink all the bottles become empty, so bottles become empty, so 10 bottles are empty. Now we have to check if we can exchange, like empty bottle count has to be greater than our exchange value. So yes, 10 is greater than 3, so we can simply minus 3. So like for 3 empty bottles we get one filled water. Okay, right, and that bottle we can drink, so we can increase one count of our drink bottle. And after that we exchange one bottle, so we have to also increase our exchange value. This is 3, so we have to increase to 4. Okay, after you drink this water bottle, this water becomes empty, this bottle become empty, so you have to increase 1. Okay, one empty bottle count. Okay, now our empty bottle count is 10 minus 3 plus 1 is 8. Okay, now let's see. Now our again check, 8 is greater than is equal to 4. Yeah, we can exchange empty bottles now. Okay, so we have to decrease our empty bottle value by 4, and after you exchange the like 4 bottles, like 4 empty bottles, you can exchange it with one filled water. Okay, so you can drink this bottle, so you have to increase bottle drink count plus 1. After you exchange, you have to also increase exchange value to 5. Okay, now this value is 5, and after you drink this bottle become empty, so you have to increase also one empty bottle count. So 8 minus 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, this is 5, right? Now again we have to check, can we exchange, like we have 5 empty bottles, this, and the exchange value is 5. Okay, so we can again exchange. Okay, so instead of 5, now our like we have again get one filled bottle. Okay, so we can drink this, so 10 plus 1 plus 1 is 1 plus 1 is 13. Okay, so after you drink it, you have to increase exchange value count to 6. Okay, use exchange value count is now 6, and empty bottle, so we have to decrease. Okay, first, like before increasing the count, okay, like exchange value count is 5, so before increasing we have to decrease our empty bottles count minus 5. Okay, because we are exchanging 5 empty bottles to one filled water. Okay, after you drink, like this bottle becomes again empty, so you have to plus 1, and you exchange again, so you have to increase your exchange value to be 6. Okay, so now at the end empty bottles become 1, and like empty bottles are 1, right, and your bottle drink count is 10 plus 3 times 1 is 13. Okay, this is 13, right? So now let's see again, see can we exchange, like we have one empty bottle and our exchange value is 6, we want at least 6 empty bottles, so we can't exchange, so we can simply stop and return our answer to 13. Okay, so now let's code this solution. So we have to take our bottle drink. Okay, bottle drunk, bottle drunk count to be 0, right? And also empty bottles. Okay, like initially we can drink all the bottles which are filled bottles. Okay, so this is answer. Okay, we can simply drink all the bottles. After you drink all the bottles become empty, so we can simply, now empty bottles are nums of bottle. Like now we can exchange our empty bottles till, like empty bottles we can exchange until our empty bottles are count is greater than equal to our num exchange value. Okay, if this value is smaller than or less than, okay, like our empty bottles are greater than or equal to our nums exchange value, so that we can exchange. Okay, like in this case our bottles are empty bottles are 3 and nums exchange value is okay, exchange empty bottles are 10 and exchange value is 3, so we can exchange. So after, so if we can exchange our bottle count, okay, like bottle drunk count can increase. Okay, bottle drunk count is going to increase by 1. Okay, and now our empty bottle count is going to decrease, like empty bottle count minus equal to nums of exchange value. Okay, after that your nums of exchange value going to increase by 1. Okay, this is given in example. After you exchange, your nums of exchange value is increased by 1. Okay, right? Now after that you drink the bottle, right? You drink the bottle, filled bottle, like the bottles become empty, so your empty bottles count is also going to increase by 1. Okay, right? If you can exchange, so you are going to exchange 3 empty bottles with 1 filled bottle. Okay, and after exchange you have to increase your nums exchange value. Now you have 1 drinkable water. Okay, so full bottle, so you can drink that. After you drink, your bottle is going to empty, so you have to increase your empty bottle count. Okay, and you can do this process until your empty bottle count is greater than equal to nums exchange value, and at the end you can simply return bottle drunk count. Okay, this is going to store our answer. Let's try to run it. Network issue. Okay, let me try again. Okay, what is going on? Okay, my network is not running actually, like, but this solution is going to accepted, and this beat 100%. Let me just show you. Okay, this beat 100%. This is the exact solution. Okay, and I already run it and submit it, so this is beat 100%. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubt, make sure to comment. Okay, okay, now net is online. Wow.